Welcome to Kids Easy Learning. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up because we post new videos every Thursday. Today we are making the very interesting rainbow milk experiment, and for this you'll need some food coloring. You can use normal paint as well, a cup of milk, some dish soap, a Q-tip or a cotton bud, last but not least, a shallow dish to do the experiment in. Pour a glass of milk into the shallow dish. Put a few drops of food coloring or paint into the milk. I'm adding a few drops of orange food coloring. Now I'm adding some yellow food coloring. Here I have a bottle of green paint, so I'm adding a few drops of it into the milk. Now I'm adding a few drops of blue paint. Now I'm taking some dish soap and a Q-tip or cotton bud and dipping the Q-tip into the dish soap. Make sure to mix it well. It should absorb a good amount of dish soap. Now here comes the exciting part, so get ready. Just dip the cotton bud and see what happens. Isn't that amazing? The milk swirls and makes beautiful patterns with the colors. If you carefully observe, you will see that the milk is moving away from the cotton bud. This is because the dish soap reacts with the fat present in the milk, and this reaction makes the milk swirl and move away from the cotton bud. Thank you so much for watching. To watch more educational videos, make sure to search for Kids Easy Learning on YouTube. I post new videos every Thursday, so make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.